Hello all, welcome to SSC Masala. In this video, I will talk about all the issues of SSC like the court cases, the new exam pattern in SSC, the vacancy of CGL 2025 and its exam date, delay in the exam and reforms in SSC. So the court cases. The court cases are leading to increase in the competition and cutoffs. Like CGL 2023, the court case of CGL 2023, because of this, all the selected students gave the exam of CGL 2024, which led to increase in the competition and a high cutoff, a very high cutoff. Same thing happened in CGL 2024 also. The court case is going on in CAT currently, and after that the case may go to other courts like High Court, Supreme Court. So in CGL 2025 also the competition will be very high and the cutoff will also be high if level and the pattern does not change much. However, the level and pattern will not change much. I will discuss it further. Also in the court case, the court basically favors the commission, whether it is SSC or UPSC, and also there is money problem, so the candidates cannot afford a good lawyer, and normal lawyers, they cannot give good arguments. I have discussed in detail about all the problems in the court case. You can see this video. Now let's talk about the new exam pattern in SSC. So as you know that earlier the vendor of SSC was TCS, and earlier a single vendor used to do all the work, like whether it is making questions or conducting the exam. But now the questions will be made by different agency and the exam will be conducted by different agency. And in the tender of making questions, three companies were shortlisted, and in the tender it was written that the tender can be given to either one agency or more than one agency. So it is possible that the tender has been given to one agency or maybe two agencies or all the three agencies. And I have seen that all these three agencies are not very experienced in making questions. They have not made questions for any big exam. I have seen their websites. They have made the questions of some university exams, but not any exams like SSC. So what will they do is they will see the questions of SSC and similar exams, and they will make the questions based on that. So the pattern and level will not change too much. The change will be in the topics and weightage. The weightage of the topics will change. For example, when TCS came as the new vendor, the weightage of static GK increased because TCS used to conduct banking exams, and in banking static GK is asked, history, politics, etc. are not asked. So static GK weightage increased. Similarly, in banking arithmetic questions are asked, advanced maths is not there. So when TCS came, the level of arithmetic increased in SSC, it became calculative, and the level of advanced maths decreased than before. So what you have to do is you have to cover the PYQs of TCS along with the questions of PYQs of before TCS, especially 2016 and 17. Especially maths, you must do the maths of 2017 and 16, because in offline exams which was done earlier in 2015 and earlier, the maths is very easy. In English the level was easy, better in offline exams. In TCS it was not easy. So for English you can see the offline papers. Then comes reasoning. For reasoning, like TCS was not making questions of clock, topics like clock, etc. So you don't have to see what from what topics TCS was making questions. You have to cover all the topics. You have to see all the PYQs of SSC and you have to cover all the topics very well. Okay. And if you have done the PYQs of SSC and TCS, then it's okay. But if you have not done, first cover the PYQs of SSC. And if you have done, then you can do the questions of last 1 year of railway, DSSB and the CDS. And also you should have concept clarity and the basic approach, because if the examiner will twist the questions, your trick will fail. So if you know the trick, it is okay, but you should also know the basic approach and you should have concept clarity. Now when it comes to the CGL 2025 vacancy, I already told on the Telegram that the vacancy will be 14k plus. Currently Telegram channels, many Telegram channels are saying that the vacancy, current reported vacancy is 12 point something, 12.8 something, but all the vacancies have not been reported. The final vacancy will be more than 14k. So it is a good vacancy, but also the competition is higher than normal because of the CGL 2024 court case. Now the reforms in SSC and exam delay. So all the forms of SSC will come late, approximately 2 months, because of the reforms. And also because the forms will come late, the exams should also be delayed. The exams can be delayed for at least 1.5 months. So the CGL 2025 pre, it can be conducted in August 2025. And you should not expect good reforms from SSC, because recently a reform has been done, which is Aadhaar authentication. It has been introduced, but it has not been made compulsory. Then what is the benefit of it? Earlier, till now, what was happening is biometric data was taken, but matching was not done. The data was not matched with anything. But in Aadhaar authentication, when they will take biometric data, they will match it with the Aadhaar data. So the people who give exam in other places, they won't be able to do it. But the thing is, they have not made it compulsory. So what is this? Is it a reform or what? For honest persons, for honest candidates, they have introduced Aadhaar authentication, but for the cheaters, they have not made it compulsory. Then again, eduquity, which is linked to many paper leaks. It has conducted many exams in previous years and the paper were leaked, and it is being said that the vendor for SSC exams will be this eduquity. In the recent meeting where the teachers of SSC met the SSC chairman, they said that they told the chairman that you can increase the fees, but at least give good services and take a good conducting exam vendor. But in the tender, the eduquity give a good bid, means the money they have to the money they were offering in which they will conduct the exam. So TCS was asking for double money than eduquity. So the SSC has given the vendor the tender to the eduquity. So they are saving the money. TCS has also some problems, but only in some centers. On the overall level, cheating was not done on a big scale. So TCS is currently the best exam conducting agency. So it should be the vendor of SSC, but I think the SSC will increase the fees, as well as they will save the money by giving the tender to executive, which is very bad. I hope the exams in 2025 will be conducted fairly. For more updates, you can join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box. If the link does not work, you can simply search SSC Masala English. It does not need to be in the capital letters. It can simply be in running letters. And if you want Hindi explanation, अगर आपको हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए तो ENG यहाँ पे हटा देना, सिंपली SSC मसाला सर्च कर लेना.